हे गाइस, हेलो, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इन दिस वीडियो में आज मेरा दोस्त साइकिल ख़रीदने वाला है, तो चलिए देखते हैं कि उसका वो कैसे ख़रीदा और उसका दाम कितना है और क्या क्या रूल्स है। ठीक है, कॉलेज में क्या अलाउ करेंगे नहीं करेंगे। ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं। ओके, हाउ आर यू शिवा?
Fine, bro.
ओके, सो शिवा, how do you know this place?
I found this place in marketplace. In marketplace, we can find in Facebook. Okay, here and there we can get many sellers information. So I found that I can find a new bicycle here. So I searched in the marketplace and I got this location. First, I have chatted with so many of the sellers, and finally I found this legit seller here. The main reason I brought from the seller is the price when we are going and buying in the shop is very different from the seller. It's nearly there will be 1k difference in buying the price with the cycle.
Okay, so thank you. So what the purpose of this you're buying cycle? Is it any reason?
Yeah, there is a strong reason behind this. Firstly, many of our friends are going for the vacation back to India, but I'm not going to India due to some financial problems. So what I thought is just I need to go for the rides in Philippines because we are in Davao City, right? We have so many nature spots and there is so much time for our vacation. So I can explore some parts in the Davao. For that reason, I have buying the cycle. And the other reason is in our college, our college has many restrictions. They will not allow bikes or cars. The only option that we are having is purchasing a bicycle. So that's why the main reason of the college is also to take bicycle.
Okay, now what's the cost of the bicycle?
We are having lot of options, bro. If we take a semi-alloy bike, it starts from 4k, and if we shift to the only total alloy bike, it starts from 8k. But our bicycle is a semi-alloy, but the wheel size is 29 normal the wheel size will be 26 and 27.5 and 29 means nothing but inches. I prefer to take the 29 variant because if it is a 26 then we should pedal more and the distance cover will be less. And if we take the 29, we will get a larger size of the tire, so that we can, if we pedal less also, we can cover the more distance. So that's why I bought the 29 and the gears are 3x7. There are 21 gears in the bicycle. That's why I took this one.
Total cost how much?
Here they told me 6k. After that I just we can also bargain or we can add some tools so that they can decrease some price. So for that I got for 6k.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Is it buying cycle at the direct seller shop or direct to the from the shop?
No. It's better to take from the seller itself, because when we are going to the shop, they will add some more price. And if we are contacting seller shop from the marketplace, then they will add the delivery charges also. Here, what I have done is I came here and I just picking up. I'm not having any delivery. Just I'm coming and I am checking the condition of the bike. And I'm checking whether the brakes are good and what about the pedals, everything. And I am adding some more accessories, like now I can take my helmet and a bottle case and some mud guards, like that. We'll have some accessories. And when we are traveling with the bicycle in Philippines, especially, we need to have helmet also. Helmet is compulsory mandatory, and we should have the footwear also. We should compulsory wear the shoe, helmet. It will be very safety also, because when we are going without any safety measurements, the police may stop and ask where is your helmet, like that. Even we are driving the bicycle also, we should take very precautions while going with the bicycle even.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does your seller give any guarantees and any warranties?
Warranty means they will not give any warranty, but they can provide the service. If you are having any problem, or if you are having any problem in the gears, then we can come to the seller, but they cannot give any guarantee, but they can give some discount for the service, so that we can have some money. So we can save some money.
Okay. 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 Thank you, Shiva, for sharing your information. So I hope this information will be helpful for all of you guys who are planning to buy a cycle. So thank you, Shiva. Okay. Shiva also running a channel. Name is Shiva Smart Wise. Shiva Smart Wise, and the link in the description, guys. Please subscribe to his channel. And also he is sharing like a tech news like that, and also some fun facts. So hope it will be helpful you guys. Okay. Thank you.
About 2 years.
What type of services you are?
Only buy and sell.
What types of bikes you have?
Three kinds of bike. Bike, mountain bike, and against and bike for